What's up today, you guys? Welcome to today's videos, and sorry guys. And today I've got some handcuffs, and I'm gonna be giving them away to a friend who's gonna help the police with a guy who's been like bad or something like that. So as you can see, the keys work fine. When I do that, that's fine. Yeah, so they work alright. Yeah, so. Ow. I'll show you again. I'm just doing this because I'm bored as well, so. Yeah, I'm going to be giving these away to a friend, so. They work alright. And by the way, guys, if you want me to buy some more handcuffs and give them away, I can, and I'll send them to you. So, yeah. Look, guys. Come on, turn on. There we go. Oh, look over there, boys. Wow. And if you want me to buy some more expensive handcuffs and sell them to you, or not send them to you, give them away, I can. So just doing it again because I can. God's sake, they don't work as good because they're cheap handcuffs. So. There we go. Yep, they work okay, as you can see. Wait, where are the fucking keys? Don't tell me I've lost the keys now. Oh, there they are. Yeah, so they work okay. Don't forget to, wait, Oops. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to put notifications on, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.